No. I'm here at the Marina Studios. I'm Monique, and today we're going to learn a TikTok.
Genging and banging, since me youngin', living and learning, dressing and flexing. You have been posting and liking, commenting. I did live my life away.
The TikTok I've chosen to learn is just so much fun. It's really fast, but you know, they're like 10 seconds, and we're going to teach it to you today, and you'll get it down. So let's do it. The song we're using is Genging by Banku Music, Guilty Beats, and Mr. Easy. Okay, let's do it. So there's like a tiny intro. I can't really count it in. You've just got boop, 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 and then we're going. Okay, boop, 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 go. That's it. So we're gonna step. Some of the moves I'm gonna simplify like the tiniest bit, just so that we can get it down today. So we're gonna step. It doesn't matter which foot you step on first. Just do the same as me. We're all good. So we're gonna step. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait. 8. Simple. Now we're gonna add a little bit of a pivot to it. So as you step, you're on your toe, turn it, step, turn it, step, turn it, step. Yes. So also with the style is kind of Afro beats, you always need to be low. So bend your legs, use your body, use your hips, use your chest, use your shoulders, wiggle it and let it loose. So we're going 1 and 2 and 3. Hips and 4. That's it. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Nice. 6, 7 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Nice. Now our arms, as we do that, are coming up. 1, 2, 3. Then they stay there. 5, 6, 7, 8. So as you're doing the first steps, your arms are slowly coming up, so they're going 1, 2, 3, and 4. So as you hip thrust, open the hands, bring them back, keep them there for the second 5, 6, 7, and 8. 5, 6, 7, and we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice. Stepping out. Opposite arm to leg is going to swing across. We're going to go step. Today we're going to do step together. So we're going to step together, step together, step together. Now you'll notice I'm leaning away from my body. Am I? No, my leg. Sort of my body. As you step, you need to lean back, and then your body just about catches up as you bring it in. Step, catch up, step, catch up. Now it's the same thing I said, bend your legs. Also, this is one of those moves, you've really got to let it flop and groove. If you feel like you look stupid, you're going to look stupid. If you just live your life and just getting in it's great. Okay, so we step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Yeah, that is a 1. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to step that foot back out, and our arms are going to come up, and 8. Nice. Just for cleanliness and teaching purposes, we're going to cross our arms and bring them out to the fist. He says landing. I don't know. You'll find out. Let's do it with the counts. From the top. 5, 6, 7, boop, boop, boop. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Step together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So that's the speed. So you've got to come back to the middle. So we have 5, 6 and 7. Nice. And again. Boop, boop, boop. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Good. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Nice. Now, there's a beat in the music that goes brrrah, brrrr. So there's 3 hits. So we're here, and 7 and 8. Now this is really cool. Our knee, again, for teaching purposes, so we're all the same. Knee is gonna come in, out, body. So you should be in the middle. Knee goes in, out, body. Now our arms are gonna come down straight away. So as you go in, they start to drop down, out, body. So you see I almost do a little bit of a ripple there. Pa, pa, my hips should be out. Let the rest of your body follow on. Drrrah. Yes. So again, watch me with my arms. So my arms are up, they're going drrrah. So straight away, there. That's it. What am I doing? They're straight away moving up and moving down. Drrrah. Yeah, nice. From the top, add that on. 5, 6, 7, and we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Yeah, really go up to it, make it more effective. So if you're keeping at the same level, you're making the move small, it's not as effective as if you're hitting tap, tap, tap. Really show me the different dynamics. So you can see that in the music, you'll feel it, it's great. Faster from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Nice. From here, put your weight onto that foot, and we're going to tap the opposite foot, corner, front. As we do that, my knee, as I step, my knee is out and it turns in. Step forward, turn it in. So it starts out, turns in, out, turns in. Yeah? Sorry. Hands are coming up on the head and then cross. So head, shoulders, head, shoulders. So we're here, head, shoulders. Now this is kind of like, I need to see here like, oh, I don't know what to do. I'm stressed. Oh, the music is too good. I don't know what to do there. Okay, that's what I want to see. So, add that on from the top. 5, 6, boop, boop, boop. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2. I'm being extra and I'm not crossing. 1, 2. From here, we're going to hop onto that front foot, bring the opposite leg back, and then switch. Ah, ah. Again, teaching purposes. So we're here, hit, hit, back, back. 5, let me see that. 6, 7, and hit, hit, back, back. Nice. As we hit the back, back, hands are already here. Turn those hands out, and you're gonna shake what your mama gave ya. So hands are shaking, shoulders are shaking, chest is shaking, everything's shaking. That's what I want. So we're here, boom, ha, shake it, shake it. So as they're going behind, get rid of it. Nice. From here, I want to see a difference in dynamics. Shake it and a boom. Slow-mo. So we're here, shake it, step that foot out that you've got in the back. Hands are going to hit in the middle. I've got spoons, so I've got thumbs on top, spoons like a drum. Step, spoon at the same time. So you hit, it reverbs off, and they go out to the side, and it pulls you into a ripple. So I'm going to show you. Yeah, get everything involved, even the head. Boom. So everything hits that point and reverbs out. Reverbs? Rebounds. Okay, again. Count-wise, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, for today, as I'm here with Marina Studios, I'm going to give them a little bit of love. So I'm going to come here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There's a little and 4. So however you want to do it, people have been hitting it 1, 2, 3. People hitting 1, 2, 3. Whatever you want. Give me your own flavour. So add me a little and 4. Yeah? Let's go from our 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Sorry, I lied. It's and 8, not and 4. So your hit is on and 8. Again, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice. You're hearing the music. Let's go back from the beginning, then we'll go through, then we will finish it off, and then we will get to it with some slow music and then fast music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bend. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice. I realised I think I might have lied to you at the beginning. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I lied. It's 6 and. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and. Weight 7 and 8. Again, from the top, let me redo those counts. 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Yes, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last move, we're going to do the guara guara. So our knee, the knee that we're already sort of leaning back on, same principle as this. It's going to go out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Now I want you to imagine you're baking a cake and you're whipping it up, but instead of having a normal bowl, you've got a bowl like this. Like this. Yeah? So you can only whip this way. So from here, your arm's got to whisk, whisk, whisk. Okay, that's it. So as we do that, arms and legs are copying each other. So they come out, in, 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 in. Nice. Bend, give it some vibe. Let the other hand grab onto something because it's just too nasty, and just give it some life. Now for today as well, he goes, I don't give my life away. Okay, on a way, I want something a little bit, ooh. So we're gonna go in, in, way. Just give me something that's a little bit way-ish. Yeah? You get it. Okay, from the top, then we'll do slow-mo, then real speed. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, life away. Woo, yeah. Okay. Slow-mo, then real speed. I'll have to do it on TikTok. Okay, ready? Let's do it. Remember what I said, you just got, doop. Listen. That's all you got, so let's do it. I'm doing slow-mo first though, here we go.
Genging and banging since we youngin', living and learning, dressing and flexing. You have been posting and liking, commenting. I live my life away.
Yeah, girl. Okay, real speed. You ready for it? Whew. Let's do it. Remember, it's coming in straight away. Here we go.
Genging and banging. Since me youngin. Leaving and landing. Dressing and flexing. You have been posting and liking. Commenting. I will live my life away.
Yes.
Genging and banging.
Nice guys, well done. Hope you've enjoyed learning this TikTok with me. I'm sure you've smashed it. Let me see your versions. I want to see you give it the vibe, and I'll see you very soon. Thank you. Goodbye.